Joshua Baliguat,
I am Mary Claire F. Morgado.
I am Prince Mia Ortega.
and we're going to demonstrate how to clean and sanitize the kitchen benches properly.
Why is important of keeping kitchen surfaces clean and sanitized?
Keeping kitchen surfaces clean and sanitized is essential to prevent the spread of harmful bacteria,
It also avoids cross-contaminations.
And safe and clean, hygienic food preparation.
spoon, warm water, clean sponge, white vinegar, dish soap, and spray bottle.
Put 2 cups of warm water in the spray bottle and add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and add 1/2 cup of vinegar. Shake it by Taylor Swift. This solution is great for removing grease and stain while being natural and safe.
This removes grease and stain effectively. Warm water, clean towel, unscented bleach, and spray bottle.
Add 2 cups of warm water in a spray bottle. Add 1/4 of tablespoon of unscented bleach. Then close the lid and shake it.
This solution helps kill bacteria and viruses, keeping surfaces safe.